See how LabLab AI Hackathon winners used Vectara's RAG tech to create groundbreaking apps in healthcare, finance, customer service, and law. Nimra Shahnez developed Tinnitus, an innovative platform offering tailored insights into tinnitus, benefiting researchers and individuals alike. Brain RI AI, a transformative tool in brain tumor diagnosis, combines advanced semantic search with voice-activated technology for swift, precise data retrieval and effortless radiological analysis. Ticker Analyst, developed by Alex Glebov, redefines financial analysis by intelligently extracting and analyzing SEC's Edgar database, delivering fast, actionable insights for investors and researchers. Kenne-boosted RAG with Vectara by the ThruThink team enhances customer support, utilizing company knowledge with AI-generated and focused Q&A for comprehensive and precise user query responses. The Prometheus team created Law.io Buddy, a breakthrough legal research tool with an interactive web extension, document Q&A, and a comprehensive legal chatbot. Are you ready to join the ranks of top AI builders? Your journey begins with LabLab AI, where imagination and AI merge to solve real-world challenges.